So without wasting time, let's directly get to the point that how you can find or see your Apple ID's password. And the very first thing is you have to scroll through your home page slightly and a search will be popped up, and here you have to search passwords. You can also see this app on your home screen, but this is the shortcut to find it. And if I tap on this app will be opened. And next, if I tap on this all button, which is the first option in this list, here is all the saved passwords of my different accounts. Here you have to search Apple or iCloud. And if you had saved your Apple ID's password, it will be appeared up in this Apple section. You have to simply open that and that password will be displayed to you. But if that is not the case and you have never saved your iCloud password into your phone, then this will not be popped up in this list. In that case, how you can see your password, you have to open up your Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use. And after that, you have to go to Google and search here iCloud reset password and hit the search button. And the very first link which says if you forgot your Apple account password, which is from support.apple.com, you have to tap on it. Next, you have to tap on resetting your password on the web. And the last option in this list is reset your password at iforgot.apple.com. And when this page appears up, you have to tap on this button right here, which is reset password. And if you want to see your own account's password, you have to simply tap on reset my password. It will ask you for your Face ID and then it will let you set a new password. In this way, whatever your old password was, you can simply get a new password by typing in these two boxes and pressing the continue button. But if that is not the case and you are trying to get help with some other iCloud account, you can go with the second option in this list, which is help someone else. Now it will ask you for the email address or phone number associated with that account. You have to enter that here in this box. A link or code will be sent to that email address or phone number. From there, you can get a new password. So that's how you find and see your Apple ID's password. And if you are not able to find it, then how you can get a new one. Thank you so much.